Janome Sewing Machine Company Limited began in 1921 with the creation of a single, hand-cranked sewing machine. In October 2021, we celebrated our 100th anniversary and changed our name to JANOME Corporation to mark the beginning of a new era. Ever since our foundation as Japan's first domestic sewing machine manufacturer, we have focused on manufacturing products that bring joy and satisfaction to our customers. Today, the Janome brand is familiar to customers all over the world. Our integrated approach to manufacturing, from development to production and sales, is based on our desire to enrich the lives of people around the world and promote creativity through the swift provision of high-quality products. We have also utilized the technology cultivated from our sewing machines to enter the industrial equipment field. At manufacturing sites for automobile parts, mobile devices, and medical equipment, we are contributing to the improvement of productivity and quality. For the past 100 years, we have strived to be a valuable part of our customers' lives. Over the next 100 years, we will continue to take on new challenges. We are committed to providing products and services that are more creative, convenient, and environmentally friendly, and that are in tune with our customers' lifestyles and social activities.